Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks. Forget all the formalities. I really came here today to show you what it is that I've been doing lately. And I'm just too excited. Too excited, okay? Too excited. Because this combination, I had to get the fan because it's hot in New York. But I had to come on here to give you guys the scoop. The scoop. The lowdown, the tea, okay, on what I've been doing and what happened when I did it. Let me show you what I've been using, or should I say what I've used and what I found out. Okay? I'm just going to hold it up to you so you can see what I've been using. Okay? This is what I've been using. I've been using my, my Bragg's apple cider vinegar concoction. And when I did that research study on how to boost your body up for more metabolism so you could burn more fat and lose more weight, well, this is what did it. Now, in that video, I gave you some recipes on how to restart, whatever you want to call it, your body to burn more weight, to get rid of the toxins. Now, let me tell you something. I know I haven't been drinking enough water this week. This week, I don't know what's been going on. I've been drinking my teas, but being that the weather's getting hotter and I need to drink more water, I just haven't been doing it. But because of that, I felt a little bloated. Now, if you listen to the video I've done on bloating, one of the reasons why we bloat is because we do not drink enough water. All right. Now, that was my case this week. And when you eat foods that are gassy or that may contribute to you bloating and you're not drinking enough water, yeah, you're going to be feeling kind of pooched out there. So that's how I've been feeling. And I haven't really been on a regular go schedule. I've been you can tell when you're dehydrated, you just know it. Your body shows it. So when you're going, you really can't go because you're dehydrated. Well, that ain't the case no more. I did these two this morning. And it was as though I took that citric magnesium thing, or it's like the salt water flush. Okay? Now, if you do this faithfully, and I would say do this in the morning on an empty stomach like you would normally do. What I did was, in an 8-ounce glass of water or a cup of water, I put my 2 tablespoons of Bragg's, and then I did 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure you got a tall enough glass, because once you put the baking soda in the water, of course you're going to get the bubbling and the sizzling and all of that. Well, it is going to change the taste of your apple cider vinegar because it's not going to seem that acidic in the taste. So it's a nicer flavor going down. But mercy. Now, I did it on an empty stomach, and I was going to chase it with my avocado, but I waited a little bit. So 30 minutes, 20 minutes later, I had my avocado. But let me tell you something. When this thing started activating, you're going to be doing laps, okay? You are going to run laps back and forth to the bathroom. This thing flushed out my stomach so much. It was as though I was on a saltwater flush. It acted as though I was on a saltwater flush. Now, if you've been on a saltwater flush, you guys, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? You're going to be going. You're going to be going so much, everything's fluid, water. Okay? Just fluid. This did the same thing. And I tell you, it relieved the bloating. It relieved whatever uncomfortableness I had in my stomach. And I felt lighter. Okay? I felt lighter because I just kind of felt like I was kind of backed up, being that for some reason this week I wasn't drinking enough water and my body wasn't doing the right things. Although I'm still eating properly, I wasn't drinking enough water. Well, if you're bloated and you want to get rid of that uncomfortable feeling, this will do it. But the best time to do it is in the morning on an empty stomach. And I could say do this every morning. Do this every morning because the amount of fluid that's going to come out of you, it's crazy. And if you did this 20 to 30 minutes before each meal, it's going to take your weight loss to another level, because you're boosting your metabolism and it's stimulating your intestines. It's stimulating your bowels. Okay? It's getting it up. Now, that dude, when we got home, of course, you know, he eats bad. Okay? Because he likes to lay down. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about that in another video. I'm not going to share all of that right now. But he wanted to get rid of that uncomfortable feeling. You know, his stomach is pooched out. So he just took it and he ate right afterwards. And I could tell you, not even 20 minutes, that poor dude, I haven't seen him since. I'm gonna have to put an MIA, APB, or whatever on him, because I haven't seen him since. And it's been a while. Okay? This stuff is gonna have you going. And I had to come here and share it with my peoples, because you know the minute I got something for you, I'm gonna share it. And this right here, try it and let me know down below how it affected you. This is the best way, not even the best. There's so many different ways and they're all good. To me, they're all the best. But for you to clean your body out, get rid of that extra toxins, flush out your intestines, get rid of that bloating, get rid of that heaviness, all that excess food that's still sitting in your stomach. Okay? That's all you need. That's all you need. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's it. All right? Try it. Let me know how you like it. Get back to your girl. All right? Deuces. Bye. Hey, fam. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen. First of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all. Okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video.